One of the really neat features about working in Google Docs is that you can do research on your topic without ever leaving the Google Docs environment. And the way that that works is through something called the Explore tool. I'm going to highlight the term palm trees, and then I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to choose Explore Palm Trees. What happens is I get a sidebar that gives me a bunch of results. And as I sort of scroll down, I can see a whole bunch of different articles that Google thinks would be interesting to me if I'm researching palm trees. So it also gives me images, and it also links to my drive to see if there are any documents in my Google Drive. So I'm going to just focus right now on the web, because really with images, all I would do would be to insert it. And that's something that we covered in another video, was inserting images. So with these web results, what you can do is you can click on them. Basically, I can click on this and it is going to take me right over to this article where I can learn more about my topic. And I've just stayed right here. If this list is not quite enough for me, I can do two things. I can change my search terminology. Maybe I can change it to types of palm trees and make it more specific. That's going to give me different results. I can also just click down here where it says see all results on Google and just go over to a longer list basically of the search results. So it's just a shortcut way, basically, of researching terms without opening a whole bunch of new tabs. One other thing that you can do is you can get the definitions of words. So again, with this highlighted term palm trees, I can right click on it and choose define, and I can get a simple definition of it. One other thing you might want are synonyms for certain words. Now, this doesn't work for every word, and Google Docs used to have a built-in thesaurus, and it doesn't anymore. But one way of getting synonyms is to just use the Explore tool, and you can look up synonyms. So with a word like surprise, I'm going to choose Explore, and among the first results I get are a definition, and then a little bit further down, I get synonyms and antonyms from thesaurus.com. Now, these results are not going to come up for every word that you try. Sometimes it's not going to be in these early results, but you could always add the word synonyms to it if you were looking for synonyms. So that is how you use the Explore tool.